Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your taskbar. So right click on it. From here in the last you can see lock all taskbar. If I deselect this, now I can easily change my taskbar location, like up to down, left to right. So I'm going to lock my taskbar. If I click on task manager, I can open task manager from my taskbar. Easy way. If I click on show the desktop, it will show my desktop. If I open any apps like this, and if I click show the desktop, it will be show my desktop. With any app you open, it will show your desktop. If I click on show open window, it will be open my closed program. So I'm going to close this one. So if I select the next one, show touch keyboard button, it will be show my keyboard like this. It will be enable my touch keyboard. So I'm going to disable this. And show window in workspace button. Like you can see, it is show my pen, whiteboard or full screen snap. So if I select whiteboard and if I select full screen snap, it will take a screenshot of my desktop. If I deselect this show task view button, is default, it's enabled. If I deselect this button is going to be disappear. So I'm going to disable this. Like you can see, there has no button is enabled right now. If I select this one, you can see this button is enabled. Talk to Cortana. We can talk to this. So I'm going to disable this. In needs and interest, show icon and text, show icon only, or you can show icon and text. If I deselect this show search box, it will be hide my search box. With search box enable or disable. From toolbar, you can see address, links and desktop. If I click on address, you can see the address is enabled. So I'm going to disable this. In link, we can also enable link in here. Which file is available in my desktop with this desktop button. I'm going to disable this, but you can also add new toolbar in your taskbar. So if I click on new toolbar, we can select any toolbar, or we can select folder. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.